Dear students, good morning to all. Now, biology session. Already we have learned about chapter 2, components of food. In this chapter, components of nutrients, then some activity test. Test for starch, test for protein, test for fat, then some deficiency disease. Okay, now we have going to discuss about book exercise and question answer. So, students, all of you take your book.
Okay, dear students, take your book, page number 17. The book exercise question we will go to discuss. Okay, first question, name the major nutrients in our food. Name the major nutrients in our food. The answer is page number 9. All of you take page number 9. The page number 9, the first paragraph, the major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So, all of you mark the answers in your book. Okay. Next, question number 2. Take page number 17. Second question, name the followings. Okay, first question, the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body, carbohydrates. The answer is carbohydrates. First one answer is carbohydrates. So all of you write in your book. Next, second question, the nutrients that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. The growth and maintenance of our body, which one is growth and maintenance of our body? Protein. The answer is protein. Next, third one. C. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. The vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Which vitamin? Vitamin A. Next, fourth one, D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Keeping our bones healthy. Which mineral? Calcium. The answer is calcium. Okay. All of you write in your book. Okay, next, third question. Name 2 foods each rich in. First one, A. Fats. Answer is ghee, butter. Fat rich in ghee, butter. All of you write the answer in your book. Next, starch. Raw potato, rice. Next, C. Dietary fiber. Spinach, cabbage, carrot, lady's finger. You write any 2 answers. Next, protein. Milk, egg, fish, meat, pulses. This also write any 2 answers. Okay? Can you understand? All of you write in your book. Next, fourth question. Tick the statements that are correct. Okay. First, A. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. The answer is false. Next, second one. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. This answer is true. Next, C. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. This answer also true. Next, D. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. The answer is false. Okay? Can you understand? All of you write in your book. Next, fill-ups. Fifth one, fill in the blanks. A. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Which vitamin deficiency? Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Which disease? Rickets. Which disease? Rickets. Write the answers. All of you write the answers in your book. Next, deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Vitamin B1. The answer is vitamin B1. Next, the deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as which disease? Scurvy. The answer is scurvy. Next, D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. The answer is vitamin A. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency. Which vitamin deficiency? Vitamin A. The answer is vitamin A. Okay, that's all the book back answers. Now we will discuss about interior question and answers. Okay, first question. Name two main types of carbohydrates found in our food. Name two main types of carbohydrates found in our food. Name the two main carbohydrates found in our food. Listen, all of you take page number 9. Take page number 9. The answer is starch and sugars. Page number 9, the last paragraph. All of you take your book, take page number 9. The last paragraph. The main carbohydrates, mark the answers. The main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of starch and sugars. Up to starch and sugars. Okay, all of you mark the answers. Okay. Next. Name various types of vitamins. Name the various types of vitamins. Take page number 12. Take page number 12. Okay. The various types of vitamins are, take page number 12, last paragraph. Some of these vitamins are, second line, last paragraph, second line. The vitamins are of different kinds known as different names. The second line, some of these are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex up to B complex. Some of these are vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These are also group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. You mark the answers. Listen, take page number 12. Some of these vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Then vitamin B complex. That only you write. Okay. Okay, all of you mark the answers. Okay. Next question. What is roughages? What is roughages? Take page number 13. What is roughages? Listen, the food containing plant fibers, which is sure also known as dietary fibers, are called roughages. The answer is page number 13, last paragraph. Our body needs dietary fiber and water. The dietary fibers are also known as roughages. That's all. Listen, our body needs dietary fibers and water. The dietary fibers are also known as roughages. Okay, you mark the answers. Okay, next question. What is the main functions of roughages? What is the main functions of roughages? Page number 13. Okay, page number 13. Listen, the last paragraph, last 3 lines. Okay, last 3 lines. The main function of, you write, first you write last 3 lines. Page number 13, last paragraph in last 3 lines. The last 3 lines is an essential component. You write the main function of. You write the main function. First you write the main function. The main function of roughages. The main function of roughages is an essential component of our. The main function of roughages is an essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. You add the main function of roughage. Okay. The main function of roughage is an essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. Okay. Next. Name some food items which provide roughages. Same paragraph. Page number 13. The last paragraph. Last paragraph. 5th line. Whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main sources of roughages. That's all. The whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main sources of roughages. Can you understand? Okay. Next question. Write test for detecting the presence of starch. Okay, the test for starch. Okay, page number 9. Page number 9, the activity 2. Test for starch. Okay, the bracket the answer. Test for starch. Take a small quantity of a food item or a raw ingredient. Put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. Okay. Next, observe if there is any changes in color of food items. Okay. Color of food item. Bracket the answer. Next, page number 10. A blue-black color indicates that it contains starch. Okay. A blue-black color indicates that it contains starch. Bracket closed. Page number 9. Test for starch. Test for starch onwards up to a blue-black color indicates that it contains starch. That's all. Right. Test for detecting the presence of starch. Okay, next. What are the functions of proteins? What are the functions of proteins? Okay, page number 11. What are the functions of proteins? Page number 11, right side, second paragraph, right side, second paragraph. The proteins are needed for growth and repair of our body. Okay, repair of our body. Next page. Food proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. Bracket close. Okay, page number 11. Proteins are right side. In your right side, your book. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Next page number 12. The food proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. Bracket close. Okay. Next. Next question. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? Okay. Next. Balanced diet. Next question. Okay. Take your page number 14. Okay. Balanced diet. The balanced diet lesson. The balanced diet last paragraph. 2.3 balanced diet. And the first paragraph fully. Okay. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet for growth and maintenance of good health. Our diet should have all nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. And the para fully that para. Page number 14. Okay, next obesity. Next question. What is obesity? Take page number 15. Take page number 15 in your right side. Second paragraph. Okay, listen. What is obesity? It can be very harmful. Very harmful. You write the answer. Listen, bracket the answer. Very harmful for us to eat too much of fat, rich food, and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. Okay, page number 15 in your right side. Very harmful food as bracket the answer. Very, second line, very harmful food as to eat too much of fat rich foods and we may end up suffering from a conditions called obesity. That's all. Next, deficiency. Define deficiency. 2.4 page number 15. 2.4 deficiency disease. Listen, first line. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this conditions over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. That's all. Define deficiency. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, this person may suffer from its deficiency. That is a definition of deficiency. Close the bracket. Next, continue. Continue the line. Okay, same page number 15. Continue the line. The deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Define deficiency disease. Listen. The disease that occur due to last 3 lines. Same paragraph. Last 3 lines. The disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. That's all. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. That's all. Okay. Next. Detail. Next, detail. Write any 4 deficiency disease caused by deficiency of vitamin. Caused by deficiency of vitamins. Listen, write any 4 deficiency disease caused by deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Okay. Take page number 16. All of you take page number 16. Okay. Take page number 16. This answer. Okay. The answer is this tabular column. Okay. Some diseases or disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Listen, all of you. First, vitamin A. Deficiency disease, loss of vision. Symptoms, poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. Next, sometimes complete loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1. Deficiency disease, beriberi. Symptoms, weak muscles, very little energy to work. Next, vitamin C, scurvy. Bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Then vitamin D, rickets, bones become soft and bent. Next, calcium, bones and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay. Next, iodine, deficiency disease, goiter. Symptoms, glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Next, iron. Deficiency disease, anemia. Next, symptoms, weakness. Okay, that's all. Okay, dear students, once again all of you listen. Do the homework. Listen, all of you. All of you write in your classwork note. Okay, all of you write in your classwork note. Okay, thank you, students.